So you want to do your first push-up? Cool. Let's talk about how in just 5 minutes a day. 5 minutes, you ask? Yeah, because push-ups are a skill. See, skills aren't about building bigger muscles or going to failure. They're about teaching your body to work as one unit. And that takes practice, not punishment. When you're practicing a skill, you've got to be present. You've got to break it into smaller, repeatable parts. A push-up is basically your upper body moving through space while the rest of your body is staying rigid and connected. The problem is push-ups are hard, and when we suck at something, we don't do it. So the trick? Find a version that's easy enough to repeat often, but still challenges you just a little. That's how you build a skill and confidence at the same time. Skill number 1, the hardstyle plank. I call it hardstyle because the goal isn't just to hold yourself up. The goal is to get as rigid as possible, every muscle firing in unison. Why? Because the more rigid you are, the more force you can push into the floor. Every loose muscle in the chain, that's an energy leak. Imagine squatting on solid ground versus a wobbly Bosu ball. You can't push hard from an unstable surface. So start with your toes and move up the body. Quads, glutes, abs, chest, triceps, even your fingers gripping the floor. Every muscle's turning on. Imagine someone's trying to push you over, you're resisting them. You're a statue. Hold strong in this position for 10 to 30 seconds at a time. If you're doing it right, it'll feel tough. Too hard from the floor? Use an elevated surface, a couch, a bench, a countertop, and work your way down as you get stronger. Skill number 2, moving through space. If you've got a squat rack and a bar, awesome. Set the bar and the J-hooks at a height where you can do about 5 perfect reps. Own the top position, slowly lower yourself down, pause, then press back up in a smooth, controlled motion. You're practicing total control. The goal is ownership. No wiggling, no sagging, no shortcuts. Each rep is you proving you can stay connected while you move. And here's the rule. You don't go down a notch until all 5 reps are clean and beautiful. No rack, no problem. Use your couch, a table, or stairs, whatever you got. Step 3, the 5-minute rule. So what's all this have to do with 5 minutes? If you want to get good at something, you should probably practice it every day, maybe even a few times a day. But to do that, it's got to be quick, simple, and doable pretty much anywhere. That's why 5 minutes is your daily minimum. Set a timer. Mix short sets of hardstyle planks, again 20 to 30 seconds, with easy sets of push-up practice, about 5 reps at a time. Rest is needed, stay mentally fresh. You're not chasing fatigue, you're chasing connection. You don't need the perfect plan, you just need to show up and practice one or both of these skills each day. And if you miss a day, no big deal. Rule number 2, never miss twice. 1 day's a fluke, 2 days become a habit. The key is to recover fast and get back on it. All right, that's it. Simple, easy. Your 5 or more minutes starts now.